Twix Brownies! Like eating a candy bar, only way more fattening. In a large saucepan, add sugar, water, and a little bit of corn syrup. Bring it to a boil. You can use a thermometer to cook it until it reaches 325 degrees, but I just cook it until it looks like light maple syrup. Also, be careful, sugar like this burns real bad. Alright, once it looks like this, turn off the heat and add your cream. Let it bubble away. Now you can add a little bit of butter and salt. Mix it in and allow it to cool. Then, you can pour it into a squirt top bottle or mason jar. It'll keep in the fridge for at least a couple months, but I'm sure you'll have eaten it by then. Now, in a medium bowl, mix together shortbread cookie chunks, chocolate chunks, and of course, the candy in question. Mix it all up and set it aside. Alright, now in a large bowl, mix together white and brown sugar. Add in cocoa powder, the good stuff please, then whisk in hot melted butter and oil. Once it's in, let it cool for about 5 minutes. Then you can add your eggs, 4 of them, one at a time. Finally, add your flour and salt. Mix it until just combined. Now carefully fold in half of your Chunkies. Drizzle on about a 1/4 cup of your caramel, don't measure it, just eyeball it. Then you can pour your sticky batter into a parchment-lined brownie pan and bake for 10 minutes. Sprinkle on the other half of your Chunkies and pop it back in the oven for no more than 15 minutes. It will be gooey in the center, but it'll cook once you allow it to cool completely. Then you can drizzle on the caramel. Ooh. Slice with a pizza cutter, and all you need now is a glass of cold milk. Oh boy. If you're looking for more chocolate, check out my McDonald's Nutella Bun copycat recipe. Also, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.